think the idea of humility is an idea that's difficult for us to accept today. And it's interesting that Brother Agathon frames humility, the third virtue, in the context of becoming like little children. Jesus says, unless you become like little children, you won't enter the kingdom of heaven. I think we find it hard because we sometimes think of humility as some kind of untruthful self-abasement, a kind of professional Uriah Heep in David Copperfield. But that's not Agathon's view at all. His idea is rather to communicate to the children that you enjoy this task of being with little children, of instructing children. Remember, he's talking about primary and what we'd call upper primary children, so he's using the word children, not students. He's suggesting also that he must be able to receive these children with kindness and gentleness. The very word receiving suggests to me the teacher, the adult, and the smaller child coming and the bending down and listening, being able to accommodate himself to it, to understand what the question is, and to reply, he says, with kindness and gentleness. And then, because virtue must always remain in the middle, neither by excess nor defect, he says, never with insulting, scornful, or disdainful airs. I find that a very wonderful description of a teacher who is approachable.